what bait can I give them to get their attention? And this is quite easy. Some of us who do online businesses are very good at giving people eBooks and giving people, but it's not just about that, right? It's about many other things, especially for those of us that need to do things offline, right? Many other things that you can give. What are they? Like in our own case, like I mentioned, it's the free expert in residence session, it's the free sessions that we gave and then helped us to get the attention of people, got people to understand the value that we brought, and then we're able to do that. Even for our strategy factory workshop, I think the first Sunday or Saturday of the month, we give out some free content, and then those people also find their way, to come into the program, right? So you want to be able to offer something, and that thing has to be valuable enough to get their attention, right? And valuable enough to help them realize that they need you going forward, right? I'll give you a perfect example of, I used to live in an estate, and there's a particular gas plant that I used to go and buy gas. But there was a guy right outside the estate who sells gas. But, for whatever reason, I just never went there, right? So, but right beside the guy who sells gas is a guy who fixes tires. So one day I'm trying to fix my tire, and then the guy who sells gas said, "Oh, sir, where do you get your gas from?" And I told him I got my gas. And I said, "Okay, that's fine. You can get your gas from that place, but I'm offering free checkup, maintenance, servicing, free servicing for gas cookers." I said, "Oh, okay, good. I mean, I haven't served my gas cooker in years." So I invite him to come to the house. He comes to the estate, he checks the name, he services the gas cookers. And then he says, "Oh, your gas cookers, these are the things you need to buy." So I bought him. He didn't collect any money. He didn't collect any service charge because it was supposed to be free servicing. And then he says, "Sir, you don't have to stress yourself with this gas, right? I mean, I'm just right outside the estate. If you need it, just, call and we'll replace it for you." And I said, "Oh, that sounds interesting." Right. And that's the day the guy got me off. So I stopped because I thought about it, right? I go to this company, I'm there, I'm treated like anybody else. And therefore, sometimes 30 minutes, maybe in an hour. And this guy could just literally come, pick this thing up, switch it up. And then that guy got me. I was in that estate for 6 years, I think. Yeah, 6 years. And the guy got me every single time. In fact, at some point, I didn't even know how much we were selling gas outside because whatever he told me to pay was what I paid, right? So get people's attention,